Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Show. Today I'm going to be doing a currently inked video. However, I haven't quite decided what pens and inks that I want to use throughout the month. Now, you all know that I will be having my Noodler's Conrad with a 14 karat gold full flex nib inked up with the ink of the day, but I want to have some variety of colors and inks that I can use throughout the month to change up my writing colors with. And I'm kind of like tired of using my Noodler's Conrads for right now. Like, I need some good, solid, hard pens for using for a little while. So I'm gonna do that for this month. I'm going to use some firm pens. Well, there are all of our pens inked up. It's going to be a great month. This is the TWSBI Go with Diamond Blue Lightning, the Lamy Vista with a fine nib with Noodler's Navajo Turquoise Twinkle. This is the Fountain Pen Revolution Purple Himalaya with Hipponoto X version 1. This is the TWSBI Swipe with a medium nib with Sailor Manyo Haha. This is the Jinhao X450 with Diamond Festive Joy. This is Pen BBS 309 with Diamond Majestic Purple. And the Jinhao 992 with a broad nib with Cross Violet. What did you guys think of these inks? I'm going to I'll just kind of give them a rating along the side here, so that way I can see which ones I like best at the end of the month. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all, so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So take care until then. Okay, love you, bye.